Oh
So,
man.
I'm going to take an
Excellent.
aside here. I do theater, and the rule is once is funny, twice is not funny, 3 is funny, 4 is not, 5 is not, 6 is not, 7 is funny.
What are we up to now?
I have probably passed 7 and we've lost everybody.
Oh
So,
man. But to be fair, everybody, two things. CFCast is awesome, and CFCast is Eric's brainchild. It was his baby. It was conceived and nurtured and sprung forth from his brain.
wow. got a little interesting there.
Well, I'm saying people don't know that CFCast was your baby.
That is
You
true.
said,
I brought it
I
to
want to
Ortis
do it.
and convinced Luis to give me a chance building it. So,
And to be fair, I don't think you had to convince Luis all that hard. Luis is like, "That's a great idea. When can I have it?" You're like,
yeah,
"Oh,
I had to
build this now."
convince Jorge to let me do it.
Well,
All right. Well, let's talk about the VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. We are covering another oldie, Docker, mostly because this last time we covered it was 2019, and it has gotten a lot of updates since then. So what do you get from the Docker extension? You get IntelliSense, where when you're writing both your Docker files and your Docker Compose files, it will help complete things for you. So nice when I get into Docker files once every, couple years. And it's nice not to have to relearn everything. It's helping me out. It will give you that same IntelliSense with the compose files. It also gives you a nice panel if you like the panels where you can start and stop containers. It will list all of your Docker containers, or the one that I prefer is it will list the compose containers for the current project. So you can see, oh yeah, I forgot to start my Elasticsearch server for the umpteenth time.
yeah.
Not that that's happened to me. So there's an explorer where you can explore different images as well. Right-click menu, which will give you all the commands that you would normally run in a terminal. So some great stuff there from the Docker extension for VS Code.
Nice. You know what, Eric? I got to say, I don't know Docker very well. I think maybe 2024 is the year I learn it.
Nice. That's a good
I see
goal. Also an ambitious goal. But you
Yep,
just became AWS certified a few months, like a month ago. So you're
I
on the
did.
self-improvement train. You got this.
You know who else became AWS certified? David in the chat, David Bellinger.
Woo.
In fact, he's even more certified than me because he got certified about 12 hours before I did. Maybe 15 hours before I did.
You're both certified, certifiably insane.
Yeah, but it was fun, and we had a nice little group chat and a study group, and yeah, it was good.
We'll have to do it again, and this time I'll actually attend.
You weren't the only one that was busy with life and client work and other stuff.
Yeah.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.